Welcome to Jardin d'Alfàbia, nestled at the foot of the Serra de Tramuntana. For over a millennium, these gardens have stood as a crossroads of history. The Moors first shaped this place, their mastery of water reflected in the archways and flowing channels. The very name Alfàbia comes from the Arabic word for a sacred vessel, a reservoir of life. Kings, monks, wanderers have walked these paths, drawn by its beauty, its silence, its secrets. It is said the water here is not just pure, it is sacred, that when the chosen one drinks from its source, visions will come, a glimpse into the future, a revelation of how to save the world from devastation. Many generations have come and gone, each hoping to be the one. Some lived here for years, waiting. Others left in silence, as if they had seen something beyond words, yet beyond legend.